I'm going to show you how to set up a microsite, a new microsite, and also park the domain. Keep in mind, I've already went to Google, and I'm going to set up a microsite called Surf City, and I'm going to park a domain called surfcityvalues.com, so that when you go to surfcityvalues.com, it actually automatically redirects everything to the microsite, which is surfcity.freehousevalues.com. So it's a lot easier to advertise that way and to put it on postcards and things like that, because sometimes people will put a www in front of your microsite, which is a subdomain, and then it won't actually work right. So it really just makes it a little less confusing. So I'm going to go in, and you can see the default one is Topsail Beach, which is the name of this account, this demo account. I'm going to go into Add. I'm going to go into Add, and I'm going to call this Surf City. Surf City Homes, Surf City NC. There we go. Whoop, let me see what's available. We've already got some other agents in Surf City. Surf City Beach. I'm just going to say Surf City Beach or Surf City Values. There we go. Surf City Values. .freehousevalue.com. Now keep in mind, it's really not going to matter because what this is called, because I'm going to be redirecting a actual domain. Instead of using the default theme is simply, it's an exact version of freehousevalues.com. So it's going to show whatever is on the main site, so it doesn't look like a custom. I'm going to put a custom background on it, and by doing that, I'm going to go in here and it's going to say, what is your Surf City home worth? All right, so I'm going to highlight all this, and this little paragraph, I'm going to make that big. I'm going to make it header size 2, okay? And then I'm going to come down here and put, see the 2015, see the latest 2015 values immediately. Exclamation point. I'm going to make this, instead of being paragraph size, I'm going to make it header 4. So when I go in here and I put submit, okay, so I just changed that to that microsite. It created Surf City Values. So I'm going to go back into that. And now I'm going to, I did the content. You can see that's that. And then here it says custom, and I need to select a picture. I'm going to upload this picture, which is a beach picture at Surf City. And you can see it pulled it right in. And then I'm going to hit submit. And then I'm going to go over to Meta. And this is the line that comes up on the very top when you go in the window that's open for the internet search, whatever browser you're using. I'm going to put Surf City Real Estate Values. And then here I'm going to put see any value for any. See the value. How about that? See the value. This is just for Google when somebody's searching it. See the value for any home in the Surf City area online and quickly. And I'm going to put sponsored by, or provided by, actually, let's use the word provided by Remax Essential, and located in Topsail Beach, NC. Okay? And keywords, I'm going to put real estate. I'm going to put house, whoa, if I can spell state right. House values, hello. And I always used, honestly, this, I just embed it. Keywords don't have the impact they once did, but I do put realtor.com, Remax, and I would put, anything else you want to put, like if you want to put Coldwell Banker, you can use, legally, you can use keywords for anything. I would put Century 21, any of the major brands. That's Sotheby's, they're pretty strong there. I would just put whatever you want to put there, and then say real estate, property, homes, homes, Topsail Beach, Surf City, and I'm just going to stop there and hit submit. And this basically creates a nice little landing page with its own metadata, so it can be searched on Google and indexed by, it gets usually indexed by Google within 2 to 3 days. Now I'm going to park the domain. So we got all this all set. Microsite has been updated. So now I'm going to take and I went to GoDaddy and I purchased surfcityvalues.com, and I went ahead and redirected the name servers at GoDaddy. There's two name servers. It's called DNS server. So when you pull up your domain in GoDaddy, you want to adjust the name servers, and you want to make it, for instance, ns1.driamarketing.com. Now this is on GoDaddy. I'm just putting it here so you can see it. But when you pull it up, marketing.com, you want to do ns1 and ns2 as the two name servers. So what I'm going to put here is Surf City, the actual domain, values.com, and I'm going to hit park domain. Now, I've already done the GoDaddy part, so keep in mind, it usually takes about an hour for it to aggregate over. You'll notice it was successfully parked, so it's all set up, okay? All right, so that's all set up, site verification. This is where you can add your Google stuff. You can add your verification if you want to. I'm not going to mess with it because we're just going to use this for the purposes. You can set up your analytics code or your Facebook pixels. You can add the codes that they provide you there so you can track it. Again, I don't do this. I do track a number of things, but I found that I don't really look at it that much. And quite honestly, I can get myself buried into tracking and not actually following up with people like we should. So if I go under microsites, you'll notice we have two of them now. And I don't think it's propagated out, but let's see if Surf City Values is popping up yet. So I'm going to put this window right inside of here. Just pull up another value, Surf City values.com. Let's see what happens. I'm sure it's probably not propagated over yet. It takes a little time on GoDaddy's part to pull it. Oh, it is already pulled it up. Wow. Okay. There it is. Within 5 minutes, it propagated it. What is your Surf City home word? See the latest values. And it's nice because this is responsive. You can see it moves with it. So it's responsive down to an iPhone size, as much as an iPhone will handle. So I'm going to close that. And then I will get all the leads to this account no matter if they look up a property that's in California, North Carolina, Hawaii, or anywhere. All the leads for this microsite will come to me. It is not routed out through the zip code router. So the only thing that's routed out through the zip codes is from the actual freehousevalues.com main site. But that's how you set up a domain. And on the next video, I'm going to show you how to take what we just set up and use it to create a Facebook post or Facebook ad that we're seeing a tremendous amount of good click-through rate on. And right now you can actually narrow it down. They just started it when you use it in Chrome so that you can select just homeowners. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute. So anyway, thanks a lot.